Are you kidding me? Another recall? And this one put somebody in the hospital. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. I hope everybody's having a great week. Yes, you heard me. Another recall by John Deere, and this one actually put somebody in the hospital. Oh, and if you want an update on the Squirrel, stick around and watch a little bit. Now, I do want to give credit to Rural Lifestyle Dealer. I follow them on Facebook and go to their website all the time. If you haven't yet, you want to, because they keep up with everything from the smallest small engine news to the largest agricultural news you can find. I found this story on their site. September 26, John Deere recalls compact utility tractors due to crash hazard. Now, John Deere is issuing this for the 1023E, the 1025R, the 2025R compact utility tractors, and it is from the front bell crank linkage can fail, causing the tractor to lose braking, resulting in crash hazard. Now, there's over 150,000 of these sold in America that are under recall and almost 17,000 in Canada. Now, if you look into this, people have been griping about these linkages for a while now, and they just put this out. That's because some people finally got hurt. If you want to find out if yours is under recall, you can go to the johndeere.com, click on the parts and service, and scroll to recall. You'll be able to take it to your local John Deere dealer, and they'll get you fixed up. All right, I know y'all are dying to know what happened to that little baby that showed up at the house a few days ago.
Oh, Lord. I don't need a squirrel, okay? I know, you are super cute, and I want to help you out, but your mama needs to come get you.
He's still here, and he's doing great. He has just been on formula on goat's milk so far, but then we just started mixing it with some smashed up cooked sweet potatoes, and he's loving it. He's doing great. He's super energetic. For how small he is, he's ridiculously strong. Now, for a name, y'all gave me a ton of excellent suggestions. A bunch of you said Rocky, and I'm just like, you can be a little bit more imaginative than that. Everybody names their squirrels Rocky. So right off the bat, when I first posted them, somebody said the name Briggs. And I don't know why, but I just love the name Briggs for him. A bunch of people have suggested Echo. Now, this is Echo. Y'all already named her a couple years ago when she just showed up in the yard starving. So this guy is going to be Briggs, and he's going to probably be around for a couple months at least till he gets big enough to go back out into the woods. And so, yeah, y'all are going to be seeing a lot more little Briggs here. Now, I'm going to put him back up, though, because 95% of his day is sleeping straight up. He eats and sleeps, just like all babies. So the first week or so, you might not see him that much. And as he gets a little older, he'll be in a lot of videos. Because, I mean, come on. How cute is that? Yeah, I know he's a tree rat, but he's a really cute tree rat. Now, on to other news. Now, I don't get out much, but I am going somewhere this year, and hopefully I can run into y'all. I will be at the Equip Expo in Louisville, Kentucky, Thursday, October 17th. And if you happen to be there and see me, please come up, say hi, let's get a picture. Now, I do not have a cool booth to sit at this year like I did last year at the Husqvarna booth, where I got to meet like 100 of y'all. That was super awesome, because I think the marketing girl that used to work there, she quit, and the president that I got to sit down with, the one who actually enacted change whenever I made the suggestion because the prices were all messed up for their Walbro stuff, he doesn't work there anymore either. And I get asked all the time why these big companies don't want to sponsor me. It's because I point out all their flaws, just like all the other small engine repair people. The people they like to sponsor is the landscapers, who they give free equipment to, and then they get on their videos telling you how great they are. Us mechanics don't do that. Now, two places I am definitely going to visit while I'm there is the Ethanol Shield booth. If you haven't got Ethanol Shield to store your fuel yet, I leave it in the description box below. Definitely get you some right now. They invited me to stop by their booth and say hi after that video I made a couple weeks ago about their product. And then also outside, I will definitely be visiting my friends Rick and Jack from Husqvarna. They put on an excellent demonstration of all their brand new chainsaws. Go check it out and make some cuts. And last but not least, some selfish self-promotion. I started an Amazon store a while back, a one-stop shop for all the coolest outdoor power equipment tools that you can possibly need. I want to give thanks to everybody that's been shopping through my links. Because of you, I don't ever have to take sponsors. If you want to check some of those tools out, I will leave a link in the description box below. So guys, if you got one of those John Deeres, go get them fixed up. I want to thank you again for tuning into Chickanic. If you find yourself coming back over and over again, think about hitting that subscribe button. It helps out the channel to make my videos shown to more people to save them time, money, and frustration in the future. If you haven't found me at Facebook, find me at facebook.com/Chickanic, find me on Instagram at TheRealChickanic, or find me at Chickanic.com where you can get your own t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. Thanks guys, and have a great day.
Dude, what are you doing? Is he in my hair?
Yes. He's trying to get in your bun.
Oh, Lord. Okay, this isn't going to work. He doesn't like that. Leave me alone. No, you got to get out of my hair, dude.
Okay, I'll get him.
So good. I'm ravenous. Was that yummy? Hey, dude, come on. Come on.
He likes the way I taste.
He does. What's up, Briggs? And for an update on Eileen, she is doing great, integrated well, and now does not leave Baxter's side. He's so cute. He said, I like to lick the salt off you.